I am Subham Pandey, and in this session we are going to study about the break statement and switch case statement. Okay, so let's discuss first about break statement. What is break statement? As its name clear, it is going to be break something. If you want that after some condition I come out of the loop or I jump out of the loop, then I am going to use this break statement. Let us see an example here. I have a loop which is going to be run for 5 times. Its value start from 0. When I is equals to 0, condition is true, loop is going to be run. But this condition is not satisfied, so this block is going to be ignored. And again the compiler run the same loop. When the value of I is 1, then again the same thing is going to be happen and compiler came here. But when value of I is 2, compiler is going to check this condition. This condition is true. Now compiler is going to execute this statement. And what is written here? Break. So compiler directly come out of the loop and execute all the statements which are outside the loop. In really, this loop is going to be run for 5 times, but due to this break statement and this condition, we jump out of the loop. Okay. Now, as you can see that as I is equals to 2, the compiler come out of the loop. Now, the second switch case statement. Actually, what is switch case statement? Switch means stick with something. In Hindi, chipak jana. So it is used when we are having a multiple condition or we have to apply multiple condition with a single variable. So we use their switch statement. Now here you take an example. Character, I have taken a character value that is D and scanned the input from the user. The major fault you did is put here address sign. Now I switch with this variable D. Okay, and I have different cases that I want that when user press A, then I want to execute this statement. Why I have written it in single inverted comma? Because I want that this is a character. I want to show you that this is a character. Okay, so when the user is going to press a small a character, this statement is going to be executed. If he is going to press a small b character, then this statement is going to be printed, and if he is not going to enter any of the following a or b, then the default condition is going to be enter. Now a question arises in your mind, why I have used this break statement. Actually, if you are not going to use this break statement, your compiler is going to execute each and every condition. So hope that you have enjoyed this session. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you.